Ready to turn that little piece of plastic into the latest iPhone or a shiny new pair of AirPods? Let's dive into how you can use Apple gift cards to snag the Apple gear you've been eyeing. First things first, make sure you have a genuine Apple gift card. These cards can be used for anything from accessories to iPhones, iPads, and even MacBooks. Just remember that Apple Store gift cards, the ones that are solely gray, can only be used in-store, not online today. We are talking about the Apple gift card. To use it online, head to Apple.com, browse for your desired products, add them to your cart, and proceed to checkout. During checkout, you'll see a section for payment options. Select Apple gift card and enter the 16-digit code located on the back of your card. You might need to gently scratch off the protective layer to reveal the entire code. Enter the code carefully, ensuring you don't make any typos. Once the code is entered and validated, the gift card balance will be applied to your order. If your gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you will need to use another payment method to cover the remaining balance. Prefer shopping in person? Head to your nearest Apple store. Take out your items and when you're ready to pay, simply present your Apple gift card to the Apple Store specialist. They'll scan the card and apply the balance to your purchase again. If there is a remaining balance, you can pay with a debit card, credit card, or of course, cash. Keep in mind that Apple gift cards generally can't be used for subscriptions like Apple One or Apple Music, or for purchasing services like repairs. Also, they can only be redeemed from a US Apple ID. Now you're ready to turn that Apple gift card into the Apple product of your dreams. Enjoy your new tech and happy shopping!